Welcome to Little Flower School, where every child is guided to grow with confidence, curiosity, and care. Our day begins with Braingym activities, gentle movements that stimulate both sides of the brain, improve focus, memory, and body coordination, and prepare children for active learning. Engage our little learners in hand-mind coordination activities like art, puzzles, and sensory play. These exercises strengthen fine motor skills, patience, and creativity, helping children develop better control over their hands and thoughts. Little Flower School, every movement, every smile, and every small effort becomes a step toward stronger minds and joyful learning, because we believe that when children stay active and curious, their minds open wider and their hearts grow happier.